Welcome to a new episode of Discover Daily, the AI-generated podcast curated by Perplexity to satisfy your curiosity about the latest in tech, science, and culture. I'm your host, Alex, and today we'll explore Anthropic's groundbreaking new AI model, the controversy surrounding an AI-scripted movie premiere, Netflix's foray into physical retail, California's proposed smartphone restrictions in schools, and the remarkable discovery of the world's oldest wine. Anthropic has launched Claude 3.5 Sonnet, the first release in its forthcoming Claude 3.5 model family. This cutting-edge AI sets new industry benchmarks, outperforming competitors like OpenAI's GPT-4.0 and Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro, as well as Anthropic's previous flagship, Claude 3 Opus. Claude 3.5 Sonnet boasts marked improvements in grasping nuance, humor, and complex instructions, excelling at writing high-quality content with a natural, relatable tone. Notably, it operates at twice the speed of Claude 3 Opus, making it ideal for complex tasks. In an internal evaluation, Claude 3.5 Sonnet solved 64% of coding problems, outperforming Claude 3 Opus, which solved 38%. When provided with the relevant tools, it can independently write, edit, and execute code with sophisticated reasoning and troubleshooting capabilities. The world premiere of The Last Screenwriter, a film with an AI-generated screenplay, has been cancelled following around 200 complaints to the Prince Charles Cinema in London. The film explores the story of a screenwriter who encounters an AI scriptwriting system. Its screenplay was entirely written by GPT 4.0. Director Peter Louisi believes the backlash stems from a lack of understanding, stating screenwriters may change their minds after watching the film. While the public premiere is scrapped, Louisi plans a private screening for the cast and crew, undeterred by the controversy surrounding AI's integration into the film industry. In a surprising move, Netflix has announced plans to open brick-and-mortar Netflix House stores featuring retail, dining, and live experiences centered around its hit shows and movies. The first two locations are slated to open in the US in 2025, with global expansion planned thereafter. These venues will offer rotating installations, themed food and drinks, aiming to provide an immersive experience for fans. While a departure from Netflix's core streaming business, the goal is to generate hype and fan engagement rather than solely profit. California Governor Gavin Newsom has expressed commitment to eliminate the presence of smartphones in schools, aiming to enact restrictions by August to address student mental health and distracted learning concerns. The issue has gained momentum nationwide, with debates over cyberbullying, body image issues, and classroom distractions. While some support the crackdown, others argue for a balanced approach, considering communication and safety needs. As the most populous state and home to Silicon Valley, California's proposed legislation could set a significant precedent. The world's oldest known wine has been discovered in a Roman burial site in Carmona, Spain, residing in a glass funeral urn for approximately 2 millennia, alongside cremated remains and a gold ring. Chemical analysis revealed the reddish liquid was a well-preserved white wine, with a mineral profile resembling current sherry wines from nearby Jerez. Author Juan Manuel Roman expressed surprise, noting the exceptional tomb conditions crucial for preservation. The find sheds light on wine's symbolic significance in ancient Roman burial rituals. That's all for today's episode of Discover Daily. Thank you for tuning in. If you want to learn more about these stories, you can find links in the episode description. Don't forget to subscribe to Discover Daily on your favorite podcast platform and download the Perplexity app. We'll see you back here tomorrow with more stories to satisfy your curiosity. Until then, stay curious.